Hello everyone, welcome to Indras Academy's WordPress tutorial. In this video, we'll see how you can take a full page screenshot by using simple Chrome extension. So by taking a screenshot, you can add them into your portfolio WordPress website so that your clients can see your full website design in just one image. Let's get started. Let's go and search Go full page Chrome extension, this one, and open this link. And if you see this extension, we have 76,800 people have rated this extension, and 4.9 rating is there. So good extension. So let me click on add to Chrome to add this extension to the browser. Just click on this and click on add extension. That's all. So now this extension got installed to your browser, and just click here and then pin this. So now the extension added to the browser. So now whichever the page you wanted to take the screenshot, just open that page. So I'm going to capture my website, a digital marketing page, and this page I would like to take the screenshot. All right. So to take this full page screenshot, just click on this button. So now it is taking the entire page screenshot. All right, so it has taken the full page screenshot. And if you see um, the full page, it has taken already. And if you would like to download this into PDF format or in the PNG format, you can download it. So if you want to add this to your WordPress website for a portfolio, so you can download it as PNG. Just click here, allow, and then it will download. All right, so it got downloaded, and you can increase the percentage over here. Maybe I'll keep it some 10 percentage. Okay, I'll keep it some 25 percentage. Look at this. So you can see the full page. So it has taken the screenshot. All right, so this is how you take a screenshot for your pages. All right, and even we have one more format, which is PDF. You can even download that. All right, so even PDF also got downloaded. Look at this. All right, to take any other image format, right now it is in PNG format. So if you want to change it to JPG format, just click on settings and change the image format to JPG, and it got installed, matlab saved. Let me just come back and take the screenshot one more time. All right, so now it has taken the full screenshot. Now if you see, it is changed to JPG. Now I can download it even in the JPG format also. Look at this, JPG format, right? So now you can go ahead and add this to your WordPress website. To add your page screenshot to your WordPress website using Elementor, then watch my another video. The link is there in the description. Thank you. So please do subscribe to get more updates from Indras Academy's YouTube channel. Thank you.